Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-file ng income tax return for 2023. So kasi nag-file na ako this March because just a reminder, ang due date po ng income tax return for last year or 2023 is this coming April 15. So much better na mag-file po tayo before the deadline para makaiwas tayo ng penalty. Alright, so this video is for nag-avail ng 8% ITR rate. And also, just a heads up, kailangan nyo i-update yan kung gusto nyo na 8% ITR rate sa CURU. So, kailangan pumunta sa inyong RDO para ipa-update yun. And much better kung magpapa-update kayo is like January ganyan. January or Feb. Mas maaga kasi minsan pag late ka nang magpa-update hindi na nila tinatanggap. Okay? So pag ay 8% ITA rate is ma-avail nyo yung 250,000 exemption rate. So like for example, meron kayong 200,000 na sales from January to December or from first to fourth quarter. Ma-minus dyan yung 250, so wala kayong babayaran. Magkakaroon lang kayo ng babayaran sa tax due pag nag-exceed kayo ng 250,000. Okay, so tara na, let's start.
To start, kailangan ilagay natin ang ating TIN number or tax identification number. Kung lagi na kayong nagfa-file dito, ay automatic na siyang lalagay ng ating details. So, ayan, click lang natin yung list of BIR forms and piliin natin yung Annual Income Tax Return New Form 1701A and then click yung Fill Up. Ayan, and then okay. And wait natin na mag-come up itong form. Sa year, ay palitan lang natin ng 2023 kasi for 2023 yung ifa-file natin for annual income tax. And then, amended return, no. Naka-no na lang yan siya dyan sa 2 and 3. And then, sa 6, single proprietor pag na-register mo is business. While professional pag nag-work ka sa government like being a teacher and etc. And then sa business income 8% IT rate kung yan yung pinili mo before pa. Okay. Nilagay na natin citizenship, date of birth, and then civil status. And of course, mag-automatic na sa 19 sa 8%. Alright, and then click validate and validate successful. Okay na yun. Then click next. Pupunta na kayo dito sa page na to. And ang kailangan lang natin i-fill up is 4B. 8% income tax rate. And then click edit para malagyan yung mga field. So, dyan sa 47 is yung total amount ng sales nyo from January to December or for first to fourth quarter ng 2023. So, dapat i-match nyo yung total ng receipt and doon sa book of sales. So, ayan yung total namin. That is for last quarter or fourth quarter lang kasi nag-start kami October. Okay. And, yes, ayan, mag-automatic na siya. But, dito sa 54, i-list natin dyan yung 250,000 na exception for 8% IT rate. 250,000. And mag-automatic na yung tax due is 0 kasi yung 171 is less than 250, so dapat 0 talaga. And kung may nabayad na kayo for the previous quarters, lalagay nyo dyan sa number 58 para ma-list din. Just in case may tax due kayo dyan sa taas, malilist siya dito. And yung pinakababayaran nyo na lang dyan is yung net taxable. Alrighty. And then, ayan, pag okay na siya, pwede nyo na siyang i-validate. Click validate, and then pag validate successful, ibig sabihin tama yung ginawa nyo. Pero, just in case, maiwasan natin yung pagkakamali or error, for example, sa sales amount, so kailangan tally talaga yan sa receipt and then sa book of receipt or sales. So, dapat i-check natin kung talagang tama para wala tayong penalty. Alright. Pag okay na, submit final copy. Click nyo lang yan. Then, okay. Then, click okay. Then, wait natin yung submission if successful. Medyo matagal talaga pag submission. And make sure meron kayong internet. Okay. Alright. Alright. A little patience, please. Ayun, submit successful. So, magsasend yan sa email nyo and make sure tama yung email nyo doon, okay? Kasi kailangan din yan as proof of submission or filing. And pag okay na, na-submit nyo na print, pwede nyo i-print pag meron kayong printer. Pag wala naman, just click print and yung PDF. Pwede nyo siyang i-save dyan sa computer nyo. Para pwede nyo siyang i-print sa ibang printer. Click save and okay. Okay na yan. Thank you for watching.